Australia is a multilingual country, but despite its efforts in maintaining diverse languages, it's suffering from English-only mindset. Experts suggest that if this pattern continues, Australia would become a graveyard of languages. Furthermore, Australian universities are facing significant funding cuts in the provision of languages. This has made universities to prioritize some languages over others, such as Asian and European languages. And this means that students do not have enough education opportunities in terms of the choices that they can make to study a language in higher education. Language is fundamental to human communication, and it plays a vital role in intercultural communication across the globe. My research is advocating for world languages education by drawing attention to Spanish and Latin American and Chinese studies. It is specifically examining the conceptualizations of culture in these language programs. One primary finding of this study was that the conceptualizations of culture is framed by degree structure in these programs. This means that the language and content dichotomy found in the curricular structure led to different conceptualizations of culture in the content and also different approaches taken by educators in teaching these modules. Last but not least, the study also found that the status of language in the country of learning shapes the conceptualizations of culture as well. For instance, in Chinese studies, the study found that one of the approaches taken by educators was the development of political discourse analysis, and it was mentioned because of the geopolitical relationship between Australia and China, something which was not emphasized in Spanish and Latin American studies. My thesis challenges us to rethink about the conceptualizations of culture in higher education contexts and specific to languages being instructed. By promoting education of world languages beyond English and also adopting more inclusive approach in the teaching of culture, we not only prepare students for the globalized world, but also ensure equitable educational opportunities for students passionate about learning languages in higher education.